Where's my girl, guys? She's in Daisy Hill, isn't it? IGA. Betrayed us. For all the grannies and all the children around IGA area, isn't it? Including the vet. Oh no, this is another one that's learned to open them. Oh no, that's another. Petunia is the one that's been teaching everyone to open gates, guys. And not only that, guys. Petunia likes to get inside your garage and check what you have in there. She doesn't destroy anything. She just walks around looking at what you have in your garage. Look, this is another one that's opening gates. And this is all Petunia's doing, guys.